Of course, you can also find all the form submissions here. So here you can just see the safety check I just did and the inspection that I just did before that. You can also look at submissions by the assets. Then you'll go through the full hierarchy of the technical structure down to the lowest level, and then you can then see which forms has been filled out for this specific equipment. We can also create reports, pick any equipment, again from the technical structure, and let me do this one here. Let me find my pump again. This one. And it will show you a full report of everything in terms of that specific equipment, all the different measurement points, and how they've been throughout time. And you can generate different reports for compliance reasons or just to follow up on how your assets are doing. These can, of course, also be exported to Excel and be shared with other parts of the organization.